Particle's birthday.
What?
Captain Particle's birthday.
It's Captain Particle's birthday?
Yeah.
What do you sing to him?
Happy birthday to you. And Captain Particle's blow the candles out.
Ah, what's he wish for?
He wishes for his birthday.
He wishes for his birthday? How many birthdays does he have?
One.
Just one? How many birthdays do you have?
Just one and two.
When's your birthday?
And mine.
In May! When's Shawnee's birthday?
T-shirt.
In Tucson. You're silly. Are you silly? Can you sing me a song?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, bye-bye. Adios.
I'm gathering trucks and cars around
Ooh.
the missile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Where's it going?
To the Jupiter.
To Jupiter? Is that very far? Yeah.
Oh, it landed on Venus. Who is
Oh.
Venus?
Oh, gee.
Look, trucks and cars are protecting the rocket. Look at them all touching each other.
Yeah, they're all lined up.
They're protecting the rocket ship.
From what?
So the Angry Birds swing shot.
Ooh, those pesky Angry Birds.